Washington, D.C., allowing undocumented immigrants brought to the United States as children to remain in the country legally will bring millions of tax revenue to the state of Ohio, according to a study released Thursday by a liberal think tank. Using data contributed by other organizations, Policy Matters Ohio predicted the state would see a long-term yearly increase of $92 million to its gross domestic product because of money the immigrants would earn and taxes they'd pay in the state, said the group's outreach coordinator, Daniel Ortiz. That could increase to more than $300 million every year if half those eligible Dreamers get 2- or 4-year college degrees, Ortiz told reporters. Not legalizing the immigrant's status would cost the state around $5 million in yearly tax revenue because immigrants currently working in the state would earn lower wages and be less likely to pay taxes, Ortiz said. Deporting them would cost the state about $12 million each year, he predicted. In September, President Donald Trump canceled the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, DACA, program established by his predecessor that gave roughly 800,000 unauthorized immigrants who came to the United States before age 16 a chance to stay if they meet certain conditions, which include working toward or obtaining a high school degree or a GED, and avoiding a serious criminal conviction. President Trump cancels DACA program for unauthorized immigrants after a 6-month delay. Attorney General Jeff Sessions said the program would wind down after 6 months to give Congress time to address the fate of the program's participants. Republicans who control Congress say they expect to vote on the matter next month, although Democrats have sought immediate action on the Development, Relief, and Education for Alien Minors, DREAM, Act. On Wednesday, Ohio Gov. John Kasich joined a bipartisan group of 11 governors who urged Republican and Democratic leaders in the House of Representatives and Senate to support these young American immigrants by quickly sending a signal that we want them to continue to play a productive role in our communities. Ohio Gov. John Kasich urges Congress to let immigrant dreamers stay in the United States. Although the Justice Department says there are currently 4,000 Ohioans in the DACA program, the group estimated 10,000 people in Ohio would participate if Congress saves the program by passing the DREAM Act and more youthful immigrants grow old enough to enter the workforce. Elvis Saldias, a DACA recipient from Columbus who grew up in Northwest Ohio and currently works as a property claims adjuster for an insurance company, told reporters he hopes to go to law school and continue contributing to the state where he grew up if the DREAM Act passes. Saldias, a native of Bolivia who was brought to Ohio by his mother at age 9, says his legal status will expire in late summer unless Congress acts. He said 120 people across the country are losing their legalized status each day, and the numbers will accelerate rapidly after March without action by Congress. We have jobs and expectations from family members and co-workers, said Saldias.